The 2025 farming season is over. Today is 28th of November 2025. I have just harvested my sweet potatoes, and this is a video of what I did with the sweet potato back peel. Basically, in Nigeria, the back peel of sweet potatoes are also eaten. In fact, generally, no part of sweet potato is not edible. All parts of it basically is edible, stemming from the leaves, the stem, the roots. Sweet potatoes, case in point, not Irish potatoes. I've made several videos in the past explaining that sweet potatoes leaves are edible, sweet potato roots are edible, the back peel is also edible. You can go check out my past videos. But in this video, I want to talk about something unique: conversion of the sweet potato back peel to powder form, which we use to make food to eat with soup. That powder form is basically a Yoruba delicacy, which is called Amala. Conversion of the sweet potato back peel. So in this video, I'm breaking down the whole process of how I got that done. Kindly stay with me. So the whole process started from after the harvest of the sweet potatoes. So that was just the first portion of the harvest. We had about 4 of that in total for the harvest season, 4 of that sack bag. So I intend to dry some and make this thing poundo. But let's go back to the farm and continue and see what we get. All right. So after harvesting, we decided to peel the back of the ones we want to convert to powder. Now, this video is going to be some sort of a 2-part video, because in the other part of the video, we converted the actual sweet potatoes to powder also. But this video is the one for which we converted just the back to powder, which we use to process into food. So after the harvesting, we went into peeling the back earnestly. After peeling the back, the next step is to wash it. You wash several times in order to get the dirt out of the sweet potatoes. I'm washing the back peels of the sweet potatoes, and why I'm doing this is to get out all the dirt, so that after this we can actually either crisp fry this. It can be spiced, pepper, maggi, onions, whatever, and salt, then fried and eaten as chips. Or we can decide to blend it after washing it and drying it and use it to make swallow for soups. The essence of this washing is to get as much as possible the dirt out. Wash it like multiple times. This is the first one in the series. So I go ahead and try to clean up the platform on which I want to dry the properly washed sweet potato back peel, just so that it won't have sand and stones in it. Yes. So we're drying out the peel of the potatoes. The potato peel. Sun dry it. Ania, are you sure we've not add these big ones to those ones?
This one, most of them are
Okay.
sweet.
Okay.
I see too small again.
Okay, I can end it. So at this point, we have dried or we have finished washing all the sweet potato back peel and we have dried all of them. We'll just give it some days and wait to see what happens after that. I get to check the dried back of sweet potatoes every day and get to turn it, shuffle it around so that the sun heat can get to all parts of the sweet potatoes. You can see some of them under are wet, are still wet. Still have some form of moisture. You know, as you check them, you discover that some parts are not exposed to sunlight and they are not drying. So you have to keep turning it every day till you get what you want. So today, I'm going to be packing this. We have dried it for close to 5 days. This is the back peel of sweet potatoes. We washed them and we've dried them. See, you can see it's crispy. So see it, it's crispy. We've dried them crisp. So we're going to go and grind them and make flour out of it. Okay, the pen I can pack it. So this is what we have from the sweet potato peels. We're going to go grind and make it into flour to eat with soup. It's not even up to half of the sweet potatoes harvested. It's not even up to half. So, and we still have the main sweet potato we're also going to make into flour. We want to make this one now first. Okay, so we have grounded the sweet potato back peel. So this is it. The sweet potato back peel have been grinded. So what we're going to do now, we're going to filter it. Then I'm going to use it to eat what they call that, groundnut soup, which is being prepared right now. That's what we're going to have with this. Let me know what it feels, what it tastes like. So that is the final product of the sweet potato back. So we have come to the final moment of this sweet potato back peel. I still have more potatoes I'm going to process. Now I planted potatoes sometime this year. Let me so that you'll be seeing this. I planted potatoes sometime this year and I just harvested. So now I've been eating potatoes, sweet potatoes, fried and all in all manner of ways. In fact, I was even at some point eating the leaves of the sweet potatoes. But today I want to eat the back peel of the sweet potato. That's what I have here. In Nigeria, they call it Amala. They use back of sweet potatoes, they use back of yams to make Amala. It's a Yoruba delicacy. You dry the back peel of the sweet potatoes, you grind it, and you make it into like semo, put it in hot water and stir. Then you get this. I've shown you, I've made video of the process of how I made it. So this is the video. I'm going to be eating it with groundnut soup. This is groundnut soup. Groundnut soup made from groundnut. So let's eat. Let me bring it closer so that you will see what it looks like. sweet potato back peel. Mm, nice, I guess. So, back of sweet potato processed into amala. Now, I also have the video I'm making with the proper sweet potato itself into flour that I'll still post. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. We've come to the end of the video. I want to say thank you to my cousin, Prince Will Michael. I want to say thank you to my assistant, Ania, and Divine Chonoko. I want to say thank you to all these people who assisted me throughout all the process. And also, I want to say thank you to Mimi, MK Mimi, Do. She also assisted in the planting. That was my assistant then. I also want to say thank you to everybody that was involved in the process. Thanks for watching. Basibe.